Struggling to land a senior GoLang role? You're probably missing these key interview concepts. In today's video, we'll walk through key questions you can expect in a senior GoLang interview, from core concepts like interfaces and garbage collection to advanced topics like maps and variable assignment. Along the way, Gophy the cat and Rusty the dog will help illustrate each point. Let's jump in. Let's start with a common opener in any senior GoLang interview. Tell me about your experience with GoLang. Gophy's answer? She's been working with GoLang for over 4 years, including projects like building a scalable webinar recording system using GoLang's concurrency features and RabbitMQ. Gophy loves how GoLang helps her handle multiple tasks efficiently, just like a cat juggling yarn balls. Next up, how do you configure GoLang projects for different environments? Rusty's answer: he starts with environment variables for simplicity, but moves to more complex configurations like YAML or JSON as the project grows. Rusty also mentions using tools like Viper for advanced configuration management. Let's dive deeper. Can you explain how interfaces work in GoLang? Gophy knows this one well. In GoLang, interfaces define behavior without needing explicit inheritance. If a struct implements the methods of an interface, it's considered to implement that interface, even if they've never met. It's as if Gophy can hang out with dogs as long as she knows how to fetch a stick. Now, onto something trickier. What's the difference between declaring and assigning variables in GoLang? Rusty explains, you can declare a variable with var and assign it later, or use : to declare and assign in one go. If you don't initialize a variable, it defaults to 0 or blank, depending on the type, like how Rusty always has a default chew toy ready when he's not chasing after sticks. A must-know for senior interviews. How does GoLang's garbage collector work? Gophy confidently answers, GoLang's garbage collector uses a mark and sweep algorithm. It pauses the program, marks active memory, and then frees unused memory. Kind of like Gophy cleaning up her toys when she's done playing. How does GoLang compare to other languages you've worked with, like Java or PHP? Rusty explains, GoLang's simplicity and goroutines make it a breeze for concurrency, especially compared to Java's multi-threading. Unlike PHP, GoLang is faster and more efficient in handling web services, making Rusty's day a lot easier. Finally, how do maps work in GoLang and what limitations do they have? Gophy explains, GoLang's maps are efficient, but they can't have slices or other maps as keys. The default memory allocation for maps is 128 bytes, but they expand dynamically, just like Gophy's food bowl. Never enough, but always ready for more. And there you have it. From interfaces and garbage collection to maps and variable assignments, these are some of the core topics you'll face in a senior GoLang interview. With Gophy and Rusty's help, you're now ready to tackle them with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our previous video where Gophy goes head-to-head with PHP in another fun comparison. Watch the video here. Until next time, happy coding!